So I've noticed a lot of my students do not know their multiplication tables in grade 9, and so we also have to teach coding in grade 9, so I thought I'd see if ChatGPT can help me. So I am thinking of teaching the students to use ChatGPT to help create a program that will help them quiz themselves with the multiplication table. So I'm going to try this out. These are my prompts. They might be good or not. Let's see. So can you create a program in JavaScript that does the following? Generates two random integers between 1 and 12, prompts the user to give the product of these two integers. If the answer is correct, print a check mark and good job message to the screen. If the answer is incorrect, give the user 3 tries until they get the correct answer. If they never give the correct answer, print the correct answer to the screen and repeat this process. So let's see what we get. Here's the function, generate random number, and so on. All right, here is a program. So I'm going to test it out. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to just put it into some, maybe an HTML page so that I can open it in Chrome. So can you create an HTML page styled with CSS that is responsive. So that means that it's going to look nice on my cell phone as well. Include the JavaScript program in that page. So let's see what shall happen. And there's the HTML. I can see it's creating it. Here's my style in which we can see the CSS. You can see they're putting buttons, so that's exciting. Have not seen the JavaScript yet. Oh, there it is. So that JavaScript is being incorporated at the end of the HTML document, and there it is. So I'm going to take this code without actually looking at it yet, and I'm going to copy it to just a notepad for now, and I'm going to make sure to save this as an HTML. So file, save as, I'm going to make sure that it says all files, and for now, I'm just going to put it on my desktop. I'm going to call it multiplication, multtable.html. Okay, call it whatever, and enregistrer, save. All right, so now let's go see on my desktop. We should be able to find it there. Where is it? I think it's this guy. Oops. There you go. Okay, mult table. So we can see that my default browser is Chrome. If I click on it, okay, so I see a big button that says start. I'm going to click on it. Start. What is the product of 4 and 3? 12. Okay, good job. What is the product of 10 and 11? So it's working. It's interesting how they've created it as a pop-up. I could continue to chat with the ChatGPT to see if we could change this. But anyway, let's see. Let's see if I put a wrong answer, 2 and 1. Let's say I put 3 over there. Okay. It doesn't tell me it's the wrong answer, but it keeps asking me. So I guess I have to tell ChatGPT to tell me, like, try again, maybe. Let's put a wrong answer again. Let's put a wrong answer again. And correct the answers too. And then I can keep going. Cool. So that worked. Done. I can practice my multiplication tables. I'm going to just go back to the code. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. And, I also want students not to just blindly trust what ChatGPT is giving us, but maybe I'm going to ask to comment the code so that we can understand what's going on. All right, so can you add comments to the JavaScript code to explain to a beginner what each line of code is actually doing? And if we can... So here we can see the comments in gray usually. I'm going to let this run, and I've actually asked it to just give me comments in the JavaScript. So there it is. You can see that in gray. So in JavaScript, the double front slash indicates a comment. So if I look through as a learner, I could kind of see. So here's a function to generate a random number between 1 and 12. And there it is. So if I wanted to understand more about how this function worked, or what are some of these symbols, then I could actually ask ChatGPT to explain further. For now, let's just look through comments. So function to handle the game logic, and so on. So the comments are here. This is something that you could use with students to teach code and also to get them to practice their multiplication table.